Hello everyone, this is Kirk Ullery with Molex. Welcome to Beyond the Garage, where we highlight current Molex automotive connectors, then provide specific examples of other applications where these products can be used. Beyond the Garage. Today, I want to talk to you about the largest and most versatile Molex product line, MX150. This product is available with up to 20 circuits in a wide range of wire-to-wire or wire-to-board configurations. The entire MX150 family is designed for high temperature and high vibration environments with redundant locking features that add an extra layer of reliability to the product. It's also our most versatile product family with versions that support 48-volt, pass-through, twist lock, and even multiple terminal sizes. These are just a few of the attributes that make the Molex MX150 a great choice for harsh vehicle applications, ranging from fuel injection modules under the hood, traction control systems mounted directly on brake calipers, and other general wiring connections under the vehicle. We can withstand operating temperatures up to 125 degrees Celsius or 260 degrees Fahrenheit, and on-engine or vehicle chassis vibration is no problem for this connector, which will operate flawlessly for well over 100,000 miles. Unless you're an engineer at an automotive company, you're probably just asking yourself, why do I care about that? Well, let's move beyond the garage and over to this power sport dealership. It may surprise you to learn that Molex MX150 connectors are used in many transportation applications. The electric snowmobile and personal watercraft take advantage of our IP69K seal ratings for their wire harnesses. And the all-terrain vehicle is more reliable thanks to the vibration-resistant characteristics Molex designed into every member of the MX150 family. Even the electric bicycle here uses MX150 for the 48-volt power circuits from battery to motor. The utility room and kitchen of the shop provide dozens of applications for the Molex MX150 family. Control circuits in this dishwasher, refrigerator, and laundry center are all susceptible to damage from unexpected hose leaks. The high vibration and fluid resistance features that make MX150 successful in passenger vehicles also apply inside appliances. Mounting control boards and other sensitive electronics inside sealed housings provides protection from water damage. The control module in this washer uses the same MX150 system I showed you back in the garage. As you develop new product designs, consider the potential impact of high vibration or unexpected fluid leaks. Then see how the same Molex MX150 products used in millions of passenger vehicles today can help you design a rugged and reliable system to avoid expensive failures. More information on these connector families, along with hundreds of other rugged and reliable solutions, can be found on our website at molex.com. This is Kirk Ullery signing off for now, but I look forward to seeing you on another episode of Beyond the Garage. Whether it's in the garage or beyond the garage, Molex, creating connections for life.